Good evening everyone. This is Deepankar Tiwari and I would like to thank everybody for watching my videos. So right now I'm standing at Tincha Waterfall, as you can see behind me. This waterfall is around 25 to 30 kilometers from city Indore, and you have to use your personal vehicle to come here. There is no public transport. So let's go and explore this place out.
Tincha Waterfall is situated in village Tincha of city Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and it is an ideal weekend getaway this rainy season with your friends, family, and loved ones. You will see lots of people coming here on weekends from Indore and surroundings. And this is the season of corn also. You'll find here many villagers selling fresh barbecue, Indian and American corn from their farms. You cannot take shower in the waterfall. You can only see it from this mountain from the boundary line. And this place is taken care by the forest department, so there is an entrance charge for rupees 10 per person. The opening hours are morning 8 am to 6 pm every day. Tincha Waterfall is the place for natural beauty. It's a good place for photographers, nature lovers, and adventure seekers. If you love climbing, go to Mount Everest. Do not climb these boundary walls as it can be dangerous for your health. As from a distance the waterfall appeared like a stream of milk rushing down the mountain. And if you are eating something or you have food in your hand, take care of these monkeys.
And thank you very much. I hope that you enjoy this video. So this is the rainy season. Whenever you get time on your day off, so make sure that you visit Tincha Waterfall. Thank you very much for watching this. Have a good day. Jai Shri Ram.